Welcome to Hook to Knot. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to make this beautiful crochet gajra. For making gajra, I have created flowers like this, and then I have weaved them in the string. Use 3.5 mm crochet hook. Make a magic ring and put 10 single crochet in the magic ring. Put a slip stitch into very first single crochet. Pull up the loop and cut the yarn. This is going to be our center for the flower. Now make a moving knot and attach the yarn to any of the single crochets. Chain 3, make 4 unfinished double crochets in the next. After making 4 unfinished double crochets, you will have 5 loops on your hook. Pull through all and again chain 3. Slip stitch into next single crochet. This is how my first petal is done. Again chain 3. Four unfinished double crochet in the next space. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I will total have 5. I will have 5 loops on my hook. Chain 3 and slip stitch into next space. This is how I will complete all 5 petals. After flower is done, we have to hide the loose end. Ensure that it is properly weaved in. And then cut off whatever is extra or not needed. I'm done with all required flowers. Now I am going to weave into a string. So I have made a leaf on one side and chained 100. Left a very long tail at the other end, and I will attach the darning needle to this end and first weave in all the flowers. Now here I am going to make little addition. I'm going to add a few pearls to this. I don't like flowers next to each other so congested, they kill beauty of each other. I want all flowers to stand out. So after each flower I'm just going to add a pearl. This gives breathing space to each flower and each flower stands out. Whichever direction of the flower you have picked up, maintain the same style. See, here you can see the chains and here you can see the bubble. Now I have hold the flower like this with chains visible to me. So I am going to weave in all the flowers in that same style. See, here you get buffer. I generally do not like to put the flowers too tight to each other. Pearls that we have weaved in, they remain invisible when you are actually wearing the gajra. And see how thick and beautiful gajra it looks. I want to add few more flowers. And then we'll complete the other side of the gajra. I have added total 15 number of flowers to the gajra. Now I am at the other end of the gajra to make the leaf. We will create this type of leaf on the other side. For that, I am going to insert the hook in the last chain. In the second chain from the hook, single crochet, half double crochet in the next, double crochet in the next, triple crochet in the next, again double crochet in the next, half double crochet, single crochet and slip stitch. Now after slip stitch, I am going to chain one and turn the side. So again slip stitch in the same stitch, single crochet, half double crochet. Likewise, I will continue. My leaf is done. I just need to weave in this end and my gajra is ready. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel Hook to Knot. You can add as many flowers as you want, and there are many different ways to do the string. I like it with leaf. Some of them do with leaf and a bud. Whatever style you like, please do it. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel Hook to Knot.